So guys, here you see it, one more video has been came on the LeetCode Cam channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 3002 by the name of maximum size of a set after removal. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question. So this question is very amazing. Okay, so let's start to solve today's question in part 3. And then today's question, there are the 3 examples are included with an explanation. So we will also view down these all the 3 examples. But anyways, if you are new here, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of new tutorials. So let's start to solve our question number 3002, maximum size of a set after removal. So let's move to computer screen, let's do a coding with laughing it. So guys, here you can see it, one more video has been came on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 3002 by the maximum size of a set after removals. So let's start. It has given me a 20 indexed integer. What? It has given me a 20 indexed integer arrays nums1, nums2 of even length n. We must remove n/2 elements from nums1 and n/2 elements from nums2. After the removals, you insert the remaining elements of nums1 and nums2 into a set S. What we're gonna do, we want to return the maximum possible size of set S. Example 1. Here he created one integer array by the name of nums1 and one integer array by the name of nums2. In the nums1 integer array, here he wrote in 1 2 1 2, and in nums2 integer array, here he wrote in down 1 1 1 1. Okay, and the output has been coming 2. Okay, we want to remove 2 occurrences of 1 from nums1 and nums2. After the removals, the array become equal to nums1 equals to here's one it's equal to the nums1 integer array in which he wrote in down 2 comma 2 and nums2 integer array in which he wrote in down 1 comma 1. Therefore, then s is equals to curly brackets 1 comma 2. It can be shown that 2 is the maximum possible size of a set S after the removal. So that's where the output is becoming 2. In the example 2, here he created one integer array by the name of nums1 and nums2 integer array. In the nums1 integer array, he wrote in 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the nums2 integer array 2 3 2 3 2 3, and the output has been coming so 5. So what is the logic behind it? Why the output is coming 5? Let me tell you. Because we removed 2 3 and 6 from nums1 as well as 2 and 2 occurrences of 3 from nums2. After the removals, the array become equal to nums1 integer array in which you wrote in 1 4 5 and nums2 integer array in which you wrote in 2 3 2. Therefore, as in the S here you wrote in 1 2 3 4 5. It can be shown that 5 is a maximum possible size of the set S after the removals. So that's why the output is coming 5, and there's one logic behind it. So let's see the example 3. Here he created one integer array by the name of nums1 in which he wrote in down 1 1 2 2 3 3, and in the integer array by the name of nums2 in which he wrote in down 4 4 5 5 and 6 6. And the output has been coming 6. And what is the logic behind it? Why the output has been coming 6? Because we remove 1, 2 and 3 from nums1 integer array as well as 4 and 5 and 6 from nums2. After the removals, the array become equal to nums1 like nums1 integer array like 1 2 3 and nums2 integer array means 4 5 6. Therefore, our S should be 1 2 3 4 5 6. It can be shown that X is the maximum possible size of set S after the removals. So that's why the output has been coming 6. And there are some of the constraints it has been also be given you. If you want to view it, so view it. So let's start to solve this question in the LeetCode Cam website. So let's open it and let's press the next question. So let's start to solve this. And this is a medium one question by the way which we are solving, and in today's question there are the 4 topics are included by the name of array, hash table, greedy and weekly contest 379, and total 1,000 people have submitted this question. And in today's question there is a very beneficial for you this question, because this question in today's question there is a 3 hint is also be included, but we do not view any hint, we directly solve this question. Okay, we do not need to see the hint. Okay, so let's open it. Define class solution def maximum set size self comma version 1 comma version 2. S1 equals to set version 1 and then S2 equals to set version 2, and then n comma m equals to length. We found the length of our version 1 and we found the length of our version 2. X comma y equals to length S1 comma length S2. Okay, ans. Okay, ans here we written down min. In the min I define n without any space slash slash 2 comma x. Rem equals to x minus ans, and then define c equals to 0 for I in S2 if I not in S1. Now when we wrote down these codes, so we only want to do it. Define c plus equals to 1 elif. Okay, elif. If somebody knows the Python, so these type of question it easily solved, because the people must know what is the work of this command, what is the work of this command, what is the work of this command. Please know that. Okay, then you will be solve these type of question simply. So c plus plus 1 and then elif, then define rem, sorry, elif, and then define here c plus 1, remove that, define rem minus equals to 1, and then if a statement c greater than equals to m, then slash slash and then 2. Okay, break statement means it will be pause one letter, one number. Okay, like I do not explain you what is the break statement, what is it, because this are not class for break statement. This is a class for LeetCode camp question number 3002. So let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so now the running code has been, let's see, so it is loading, so it has been accepted. Case 1, the expected output is 2, the output has been coming same. In the case 2, the expected output is 5, the output has been coming same. In the case 3, the expected output is 6, and my output has been coming same. Let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, so the submission code is also be accepted, and I beat 68.28% people. So let's post this solution. So I post this. So here you see in today's video we solve a question number 3002 by the maximum size of a set after removals. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of new tutorials, and please follow me and visit my channel also, and like the videos, subscribe my channel, and share with your friends, families, members and neighbors, and with that all. Okay, but anyways, let me know next video amazing video. So for today, goodbye.